See, I even painted the closet. You ever seen a closet painted so fancy? Well, this is what you get. This is what you get when you hire me. Because I don't play those games, I do a great job. Look at that. He didn't even ask me to paint these. But you know what? I know this guy has a lot of connections. And he's a nice guy and he's fair with me. So, you know, I did an extra good job. Gave him a reasonable price and included extra things in there. Because I want him to be happy, just as I want every other customer to be happy. So, yeah, and I also did these closets. See this? Yeah, certain areas could be a little bit better, but the last paint job, the guy didn't even bother. Anything you couldn't see from up here, like underneath, he didn't even paint it, so. This is very tedious, little closet like this, because you have to go with a brush around every corner. Every corner. Anyway, I have to do a few touch-ups to make sure that he is completely satisfied, and yeah, it's easy things. He already paid me, so he obviously trusts me, and as you can see, it's nighttime, so obviously he trusts me to be in here. And yeah, gonna do a few touch-ups, and this is the results. So, you know, watch out there, because you might get more than you bargained for, you know? You know, it's crazy out here.